welcome back to Samsung in a Minute. This is the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Now today I wanted to do a special celebration giveaway for hitting 2 different milestones in right around 90 days. The first milestone that we hit was going above 100,000 views, and the next one was going above 5,000 subscribers. So first off, a huge thank you to all of you who is supporting this channel, watching this channel, interacting with this channel with comments and also likes, because all that interaction does help a channel grow. And so a huge, again, big thank you to you guys, and thank you for making this channel what it is. And so for this giveaway, there's 3 different items in front of me. And so we'll first talk about the 3 different items, and then we can talk about how you can enter and when I'll choose the 3 winners and how those winners are chosen. So first off, let's talk about the first one we'll give away, which is the Mebox S. So this one is a device you plug into your TV, either your dumb TV that has no smart features to it, or even a smart TV. And what this one does is it brings you all of these services on the bottom of Netflix, Vudu, YouTube, Sling, ESPN, and all of those, but it also comes with Android TV and Chromecast, and also your Google Assistant. So there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Even if you have a smart TV, maybe you don't have a Chromecast, maybe you don't have a Google Assistant, and maybe you don't have Android TV, but this one will bring you all of that and in 4K. So this one will be the first one that we will choose as the winner. The second one that we'll choose as the winner is going to be the ZeroLemon 5000 milliamp battery case. So this one is for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You won't be getting this one in particular. ZeroLemon will actually personally send this one out to you. So this is the only one that I'm not personally sending out. So I'll just have to get your email address, the regular address, and then they will send you this one. Now, if you don't have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, maybe you have a Note 10, then they should also supply you with that one as well, because these are random comments being chosen, random winners being chosen. So it doesn't mean you have the Note 10 Plus, but we'll make sure you get the one that you need. Now the last one is going to be the Gear 360. Now I do want to show you too that the Mebox S is brand new. It is factory sealed. It was never opened. So I already have one of these that is connected to a TV. So this one is brand new, never opened. This one right here was opened just basically to look at it, because I already have one of these Gear 360s as well. So this one still has the barcode on there. Underneath the manual, you still have everything still in case. So this was never turned on, never used, and really touched this one time. So it's never been used. And the main one that I have behind me for the Gear 360 is this one over here. So I've already got one, played with it. It's awesome. Super cool. So here is the 3 different items. So how the winners are chosen is with a little generator picker that I have. So I'm able to put in the URL. I'm able to find the 3 winners that it generates, so I don't have to personally choose it. And so it's just gonna make everything completely fair. Now, how you're able to enter this contest, you do have to make sure that you reside in the United States. So I'm sorry to anybody who lives outside of the United States, but because I am shipping these ones personally, I'm just not able to send it overseas. So hopefully you guys can understand that. But yes, you have to live in the United States. So first off, you have to be a subscriber and write a comment below the video of whatever comment you want, and then you can place in the city and state that you live. So then this way, when the generator pops up a comment, I can make sure that you guys are from the United States, and that is how we choose it. Now, if you don't have a comment, you can just write your city and state, and that's good enough. So as long as there's a comment below, I'm gonna write a comment that you won. And that's basically how it's done. Be a subscriber, live in the United States, and write a comment below. Now, a really cool comment I would love to see is future video ideas. So if there's something you want to learn more about, maybe there's something I've never covered yet out of all these videos on the channel, let me know what you want to see, and then this way I can write it down and create more videos. Now, in terms of when I'll be able to do this, we already talked about the how. The when we will do this is going to be Monday, December 30th at 10 a.m. So at 10 a.m. this upcoming Monday, I will go below, I'm gonna write a comment to the person who won and say, hey, you won, send me an email. And then within that email, I'm just gonna ask where to send these products to. And then that's it, we send it off. Now, if you are the winner of the ZeroLemon battery case, I will be forwarding your name and everything else to ZeroLemon so they can contact you and send it your way because they wanted to supply a battery pack. They found out I was doing a giveaway. They wanted to be a part of it. And so they will actually send it from their place to you so I wouldn't have to send it and save me some shipping costs. But I hope you guys have liked this video. Hopefully you guys like seeing giveaways. If you guys like giveaways, share this channel, share these videos, get this channel larger and bigger, and I'll do more and more giveaways and maybe even better products. But for a first giveaway, a Mebox S Android TV, device, a Gear 360 device, I mean, a battery case that can get your power users through the entire day already with a phone that has an all-day battery life. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm excited. So make sure you guys are subscribers of this channel. I will cross-check the comment with making sure you're also a subscriber to make sure that you are the subscriber that you say that you are. We'll send this off and hopefully you don't unsubscribe if you lose, because I have a lot of really cool content coming out if you own a Samsung product. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe, which is one of the key elements of being a winner. And I guess I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul